If you're working on a long research project, you're going to have to show where you got your information from. These are called references or citations. And inside Google Docs, there is an opportunity for you to link to those. So we click on Tools over here and click on Citations. And we need to add a citation source. You've got 3 different types of citation, which we're going to use Chicago author date. We click on that one, and we're going to add a citation source. So let's say, for example, I'd done some research on the doctoral here, and I wanted to acknowledge this website. I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to come back to citations, and I'm going to click on add a citation source here. And it's a website and accessed by the website. I'm going to search the URL, paste that into there, click search. And it's got a missing publishing year and missing contributors. There's nothing we can do about that. We just click continue. If we've got any other additional information we can add in there, we will do. Add citation source. We've now got that. So let's have a look at something else. Let's say, for example, you were looking at a PDF. So let's look at this one here for the refreshed curriculum. I'm going to copy that. We'll come back to citations. It's a website again because it's online. Put the URL in. Search. Now we've got some information missing here, but we do know what this information is. And we can make the day up. Let's just say it was published on the 10th. It was published in March. And it was 2023. Add citation source. Right, so we've done that. Excellent. If you've found an article online in a news site, you can do exactly the same thing. So we will Command A, Command C, copy that. Let's add a citation source. And it's a website. Oh, actually, come back to here. It's a newspaper article. And we're going to click a website. And we're going to paste in here, click search, and it's got all the information we need, and just click continue, add citation source. So the last thing we're going to look at here is a journal article. Again, it's online. Let's click on website, search. Again, it's got all the information, click continue. And that's how you get all the online content.